Hi, my name is Jerry Norton, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can make $10,000 for each ugly house that you find and bring me. It's really simple. You find deals, you submit them, and you get paid $10,000 for each deal. In a nutshell, you find a deal that meets my criteria for a good fix and flip deal, and I pay you a finder's fee of $10,000. Then I take care of everything else. I fund the deal because I have access to lots of cash. Then I manage the rehab and I market and sell the property. There are tons of good fix and flip deals out there in today's market. You can start locally and move outwards. This works in all 50 states and you're not limited to your local area or state that you live in. I'll even give you a tool called Automated Deal Finder that practically finds deals for you. All you have to do is pick the city and state, and the Automated Deal Finder software will automatically send hot deals to your email inbox in a couple of minutes. And here's the best part. You don't need any of your own money or credit, or even any experience with real estate to do this. And deals close fast. You can get your first $10,000 check in as little as 30 days. To show you how this works, I'd like to tell you a story about Sandra. Sandra found an ugly house near her home in Philadelphia. Sandra plugged some information about the house into the Deal Genie software, and the Deal Genie automatically analyzed the deal and gave Sandra a green light, which meant it was a good deal that matched my criteria. Sandra submitted the deal to me and then got a finder's fee of $10,000 just for finding the deal. Now, you may be asking yourself, why would I pay you $10,000 instead of just finding the deals myself? Well, I have systems in place to fix up and sell these properties quickly and efficiently. So my biggest problem is finding as many deals as possible. Since my profits on these deals are substantial, I will gladly pay you $10,000 each for as many good deals as you can find. I'll go into the exact details about how this works and how to collect your $10,000 finder fees on an exclusive free webinar that I'm only airing over the next 7 days. If you're watching this video, then you've been invited, but that doesn't mean you have a seat. Each webinar presentation is limited to just 300 people, and many of the seats have already been taken. So if you're here and there is still an opening, this may be your one and only chance. What you need to do now is pick the day and time on the right that's most convenient for you. Enter your information and register for the webinar now. After you register, block it off on your calendar. Record whatever TV show you are going to watch. Get a babysitter for the kids. Whatever you have to do, just don't miss it. This is a complete game changer, and you have a unique chance to be able to get in on the ground floor of this amazing opportunity. Register now to the right of this video, and we'll see you on the webinar.